I gave you my heart.
What's up, everybody? It is your boy Jamel Munger. Today is a very special day. Today is the day that I kick off my vlog channel. Fully committed. I'm gonna be dropping a video every single week. No more BS. I just copped a new GoPro 8, which I am vlogging on right now, and hopefully I can bring y'all some crazy content. I actually got on the Brotherway shirt, man. We got a couple places we gotta hit. Definitely gotta hit in 2020. If y'all not following that Instagram, I'll drop that right here as well. Yeah, man, y'all just rock with me. If you're not, subscribing yet, go ahead, subscribe, and hopefully I can give y'all some good content and I'll let y'all down. So right now I'm just doing like some last minute packing for this flight. Man. Alright, officially out of the crib. Gotta get that Greek parfait from Chick-fil-A. Can I just get a Greek parfait?
Hello, parfait?
Yeah.
426.
Thank you. Alright guys, I am at work. I gotta do these 5 hours, but I'll be back, and then we're gonna take it to the airport and get on this plane and get home to my family for the holidays. Alright, getting out of here, man. I couldn't stay here too long, man. For real. Takes an hour to get to the airport. I have successfully BS'd for an hour, but I got some fun, guys. I'm about to eat this and then head to the airport.
Life, I love you, but I can't fuck with you. I gotta stick to the code. Never slip, never fold, and stay rich till I'm old. Love my kids on my soul.
Oh, finally at the airport. Finally at the airport after waiting for the shuttle for 40 fucking minutes.
Video cameras, game console, seat wraps, candles. Need your coat? Put your coat right here. Then ride. Make sure your pockets are totally empty.
Should be a really smooth flight. Weather Chicago, winds are gusty from the south is clear.
Alright, just got to the Chicago airport at a speed race to this next terminal. So, made it to Chili's.
Thank you.
Still in the airport though. Last flight of the day. I have touched down in the home state. Finna go grab this bag and wait for the homie Chris. Fucking baggage claim shit is broke. What the fuck? Where is this guy, Chris? There's my guy. What's up, my boy? What's up, nigga? Oh no, man.